Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. I'm going to show you how to solve a 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube in 7 steps. First, I'm going to show you the main algorithm that you should practice repeated times as it will help you in solving the cube. Right side clockwise, up side clockwise, right side anti-clockwise, up side anti-clockwise. For your left side anti-clockwise, up side anti-clockwise, left side clockwise, up side clockwise. Step number 1. You are required to place the center yellow facing upwards all the time, and all edges replaced with a white edge. This don't require any special algorithm. As you can see, you have replaced all edges with a white edge, but still with yellow at the center. Align the white edges with the right colored centers on each face of the cube. Red, match it with red, then rotate the face 180 degrees. Repeat the step to all white edges. Green matches with green, then rotate the face 180 degrees. Orange matches with orange, rotate the face 180 degrees. Blue matches with blue, rotate the face 180 degrees. When you turn your cube upside down, you will have a white cross. Once you have the white cross, rotate the cube to its original position. Rotate the top layer of the cube to find a corner that has the same color as the center of the down layer. Use algorithm R apostrophe until the corner is in the right side. As you can see, the colors of the down corner layer have matched with their respective edges. Do the same with the other corners. The first layer is complete. Step 3. Here you are tasked to match the colors of the edge piece with the respective color of the middle centers. In our case, the edge piece with red and blue should be between blue and red here. Rotate the upper layer to move the edge piece match its respective color. This blue matches with this blue, therefore rotate the upper layer on the opposite side. Use algorithm L''U''. Turn your cube right, use R''U''. You have matched the edge with the center pieces. Repeat that with all the sides and you will be done. As you can see, you have completed the second layer. Step number 4. You are supposed to form a yellow cross. To form the yellow cross, use this algorithm. Front face clockwise, right face clockwise, upper face counterclockwise, upper face counterclockwise, front face counterclockwise. Now you have your upper yellow cross. Step number 5. Here you are tasked to match the yellow edges to match the color of centerpieces in each cube's side. If all yellow edges are matching the centerpieces of the cube's faces, you will be required to skip this step. In our case, only 2 yellow edges match the color of centerpieces in the cube's side. Place one side facing on the right side and the other one on the back. Use R, U, R apostrophe, U, R, 2U, R apostrophe. Now you'll have all yellow edges matching the centerpieces of the cube's faces. Find a corner that matches the edges of the yellow cross. In our case, this corner piece matches the edges of the yellow cross. See if the other corner pieces matches the color of the yellow cross, and if all match, you'll have completed the step. In our case, only one corner piece matches the color of the yellow edges. Ensure you place the corner piece on the right front side. Use this algorithm. U R U apostrophe L apostrophe U R apostrophe U apostrophe L. And as you can see, all the corner pieces are in their respective positions. Step number 7. Turn your cube upside down, the white face facing upward. You are required to solve these edges, and for you to do that, you have to use the algorithm R U R apostrophe U apostrophe 4 times, and if the color of the lower face center edge didn't match the color of the lower face corner edge, repeat the algorithm another 4 times until they match. Don't rotate your cube, but only rotate the lower face so that you can solve the next corner edge. And repeat the algorithm until the color of the lower face center edge match the color of the lower face corner edge. You have now successfully solved your cube. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.